Hello and welcome to Olympia Tutorials. I am Aparna Adhikari and today we are going to study about the different animal sounds. We'll see the pictures of different animals and discuss what kind of sounds these animals make. So let's start. So here you can see the animal pictures are there and then you have the name of the animals and then the sound. So first picture is of the alligator. The alligator bellow or hiss. Sound of the alligator is bellow or hiss. Next you can see this is a antelope. Antelope snort, bat, screech or squeak. Next you have a bear. Bear growls or roars. Here you can see this is a honeybee. So honeybee buzz. Tiger, it roars, growl, snarl. Any one of them, okay? Next you can see a cat. Cat mews or meow. This kind of sound a cat makes. Next you have cattle. Cattle can be a cow, buffalo, ox, okay. So what kind of sound they make? Moo or low. This is a chicken. It can be a rooster or a hen, okay. So the sound which the chickens make is cluck, buck or crow. Next you can see this is a crab. Crab chirp, click or creak. These are the sounds of a crab. This is a crow. So crow, cow, C-A-W, cow. Next you can see here it is a deer. So if it is a male deer that is called a buck, it bellow, and if it is a female deer that is doe, or if it is a baby deer fawn, that bleats. So bellow or bleat, these both are the sound of deer. Next, this is a dog. Dog barks. Dolphin. Dolphin click. Dolphin are very intelligent animals, okay. Next, this is a donkey. Donkey bray or hee haw, this kind of sound they make. Next is duck. Duck quacks. Here you can see a eagle. Eagle screech. Next you have elephants. Elephants, they make the sound trumpet. Here you can see a housefly. Housefly, it buzz. Next, fox. Fox can bark, scream, howl or snore. Here you can see a frog. Frog makes the sound of croak or ribbit. Then you have a giraffe. Giraffe bleat or hum. Next, this is a goat. Goat makes ma sound or bleat. Then you can see this is a goose. Goose honk or hiss. This is a grasshopper and the grasshopper chirp. Then you can see a hippopotamus. Hippopotamus growls. Then this is a horse. Horse neigh. Then you can see a hyena. Laugh. The sound of a hyena is like laughing sound. As we laugh loudly, no, similar kind of sound a hyena makes. Next is the jackal. Jackal is gecker. Then you can see a koala bear. It bellow or shriek. Then you can see lion, the king of the jungle. It roars, growl or snarl. Then monkey, very mischievous animal. They chatter. Here you can see a mouse. Mouse squeak. Then owl. You know owl, it can rotate its head by 180 degrees. And they are seen almost at the night time only. Okay, during daytime, very less you can see the owl. So, owl hoots. Next is the parrot. Parrot, it can talk or it can squawk. Then you have a peacock. Peacock scream or squawk. Here you can see a pig. The sound of pig is called grunt. Next you have pigeon. Sound is coo. Here you can see a lovely rabbit. Rabbit squeak. Then you can see sheep. Sheep bleat. Here you can see snake. Snakes are very dangerous and the sound is hiss. Then you have squirrel. Squirrel again squeak. Then here you can see the picture of a blue whale. Blue whale is the largest mammal on the earth. Okay. So the sound of blue whale is sing. And lastly you can see here a zebra. Zebra knee, whinny or nicker. These are the sound of a zebra. So we saw so many different kind of animals and their sounds. Hope you all like this video, and if you are new to this channel then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Don't forget to hit the like button also and press the bell notification so that you get the notification of all my videos as soon as I upload them. So for online classes and other queries, you can mail me at adhikariaparna61@gmail.com or you can type your queries in the comment section also. I'll definitely try to address them. So let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.